how do you deal with your emotion side of it? Because there's like a logical side, which is basically says, hey, that's not part of my watch list. This is what I can spend time, and I've already spent time, and I know these are the ones that I'm going to invest. But then there's all these like tempting distractions, right? Like just popping everywhere. So how do you manage your emotions not to get distracted? Or how do you make sure of all the distractions you don't miss a few that might actually be good ones that should find their way into your watch list? What is your process of managing that aspect of it?
So here's the thing, that there's always opportunities. Always opportunities. And if you miss one, that's okay. There will be another one, you know? And as long as you're doing what's best for your portfolio and for your goals, it's okay if you don't jump in with the thing that everybody else is jumping in on. And I just have to tell myself that, you know, it's like a constant pep talk when you're like, oh, I should go check that out. And I always try to make myself like a to-do list. It's the same thing they say that if you, like, say you're trying to diet and you're like, I want this candy. If you tell yourself that you can have the candy later, you're less likely to have the candy ever than if you just say, like, eat it now, right? Or say that you can't have it even. Because if you say you can't have it, then you're probably gonna eat it. But if you say I can have it later, so I'll make myself like a to-do list and just put that on. I'm just gonna research that later. And then if I have time and I get around to it, then I'll research it. But I don't ever just jump in and buy it, you know, because I'm probably going to regret it. There's been a few times, honestly. I mean, we all kind of get susceptible to it.
I'll do it.
And you just say, well, you know, I fell for it. Got me this time. I'm going to do better next time. And just go with it. You know, I mean, you can't punish yourself because of that. Like, for example, I have a group that of investors that I talk to. And so one of them just bought Nvidia, I think it was, that split. And she thought, oh, the price is going to go up. So she bought it, and then the price went down. And she was mad at herself because she didn't wait for the price to go down and to buy it. And I said, well, you know, long term, hold on to it. It's going to go back up. You know, that's a good stock. You like the stock. You thought it was a good investment. So no matter what the price is today, you're still going to win long term.